Hi there, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello and welcome back. So this is going to be a new challenge for August, and it's a challenge that is in the Facebook group, which is Tatty Treasures and Friends. You can join along if you want. If you do, you can post your pictures and videos up on the Facebook group. Or if you aren't in the Facebook group and you don't want to be in the Facebook group, use the hashtag Tatty Treasure on YouTube and Instagram, and I will be able to find you, and on YouTube I'll be able to add you to the Tatty Treasure playlist. So this month's challenge is going to be called Forest Friends. And the lovely Nanine has created this kit, which is part of the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. So I'm going to be using this kit in the August challenge. So I've said Forest Friends to keep it pretty loose. So you know, you can do botanicals or you can do the animals. I'm going to be doing flower fairies. So, and there will be a little giveaway in the group, and all it is just produce one item per week. I think it's a 5-week month, so it'll be 5 items. So you can do 1 a week, or you can do 5 in 1 week and none for the rest of the month, or you can do as many as you want every single week. At the end of the month, I will put my 5 weeks worth of photos up, and anybody who wants to be in the challenge, if you then put your 5 weeks of photos up, and then you'll be chosen out of the Edith Holden teapot, and yeah, your prize will then be sent to you. So let's have a look at the free papers first. So it's got 4 backing papers. So that's that one, and this one, and this one, and this is available to download on the Buy Me a Coffee website, and this one, and it's exclusive to us for the whole of August, and then in September Nanine will put it in her shop. So they're the backing papers, and then I've just printed them out to a page as well, because I find that's pretty handy to have. And then we've got some ephemera what goes with it. Again, this is the free kit, so we've got lots of different stamps, some little tags. They look like the ones that you do that perforation to them, and I've got some circles, some lovely ovals, and some hexagons. We've got a page of tags, and with the wrong way, and a page of journal cards, and this lovely envelope. I absolutely love that. I hope she does that in some other kits, because it's great. And again, I've printed them to a page to get some different sizes. So that's those. I've printed them all on manila. This is on 200 GSM, and this is on, I think, I don't know, 100 GSM. And it's manila, the same. So that's the free kit. The links will be down below on where to download it. This is also goes with it, and this is a set of frames, and this is exclusive on my Patreon. So that will be up there today, 1st of August. So that's that one. Absolutely love that frame. And there's also a full kit which is available in Nanine's shop. It is called oh my goodness, Woodland Rusty. Woodland, oh, can't believe I forgot. I looked before. Hold on a minute. Woodland Botanical, sorry. So this is the main kit. So these are the journal pages. I haven't printed anything on the back because I don't know how I'm going to use them. I love all this patina, it's great. And then these are some full-size sheets, which is in the kit. This is beautiful, lovely tealy colours. Some script on that one, and this one again, that's really lovely. We've got some ledger paper with the botanicals on the bottom. So they're the actual sheets, journal sheets and backing sheets. It's all one kit. So this is the ephemera part. So we've got some tags which you can either keep as they are or cut out individual, and a little, I love this little one here. I keep thinking I must make some really thin journal cards. Got some tags, and I think this is to make some kind of booklet. Lillian does have a YouTube channel, and when she brings out a new kit, she does do a tutorial on how to use well, not how to use the kit, but a way that you can use it. But obviously you can use it in multiple different ways. So I've got some journal cards and some little embellishments here. Love these little pieces, the little ledger pieces, and then some ticket type pieces. These are lovely embellishments, and then some stamps. Love these. Some corner pockets, a couple of locks. Really like these. And these are a new addition. She's not done these before, and I love it that they've got the hole in, so I'll definitely be using those. Some smaller pockets, some more stamps and banners and tickets, some tabs, little file folder, and some circles, and a nice coin envelope, and 3 large tags. I think, did I print those out? No, they're different. So I think this is the I don't know if this is how you make the folio thing. So that's those, and then I've printed out the actual journal pages, 4 to a page, and I thought, what great journal cards they're going to make. Cut them in half, so they're going to be fab. I've just done them on paper. I don't know why I didn't do them on card. Again, it's all the ephemeras, 200 GSM manila, and the papers 100 GSM cream. I printed these out wrong. It was some card that the lovely Karen from Junkbox Journal sent me just to try out to see if my printer would go higher than 200, and I think she said this is 240, so I was just trying it out, but I printed it out yeah, the wrong way. But I'm going to put this in my use it up box separately. So that is the whole, you know, the whole kit. So that's going to go in my use it up box. And I just wanted to do a bit of a flip through the Flower Fairy Treasury. Now these are exactly the same book. So this small one is 6 by 5, and then this big one is 11 1/4 by 8 1/2. So they're exactly the same book. I don't know if they're in the same order. Yeah, they are, she says. So there we go, exactly the same. So I'm going to be sitting and fussy cutting to my heart's content. I'm going to do so many in the really big ones and so many in the small ones. So I thought if we just have a flip through the big book for anybody who's not seen it and who's interested to see it rather than seeing it in the small one. The only thing about these is I don't know by the time you've cut them out, are they going to be too big to use? But I don't suppose so. But I think you do need both books, so you know, on envelopes and that you can use the smaller ones. But I mean, once he's cut out, I mean, that's quite small. The only thing about these is they have got the pictures at either side, so yeah, so you've got that to think about. But I mean, I would definitely, which one do I prefer, and then say, I mean, I love her, but he's probably more usable, and I think he would look more interesting. So yeah, I would probably choose that one. So I think it depends what you want them for. So I might not fussy cut too many out. Oh, look at this. Oh, aren't they just beautiful? She just looks like my middle granddaughter. Beautiful. Oh, that's my favourite flower. So yeah, I'm gonna say that'd probably be size-wise a more usable piece, and then I think I'd probably fussy cut that separately. Foxglove Fairy, Wild Rose Fairy. I'd definitely go for the Foxglove. I just think it's a more usable piece than that one. Harebell Fairy. I'm not going to keep reading that because of my throat. Cheeky. It's funny, I like the autumn winter ones. These, excuse me, hold on. I like the autumn and winter ones in here. Like I do in the Edith Oldham ones, I prefer the autumn winter to the actual summer because I'm more drawn to the colours. That is beautiful. Love it. And I love the little boy ones. She's pretty, isn't she? Oh. So yeah, he's going to be an odd choice, but like I said, I'm going to have to look at it as in what's more usable. I mean, these would be brilliant cut out and at the front of a book or front of a signature or something. But for making ephemera and things, that's beautiful. For the challenge, that's all I'll be thinking about. What can I use, you know, on tags and envelopes and that kind of thing. Oh, I haven't put these in. These was in. I had both books from Amazon. I wasn't sure that I was getting the big one or the small one. It was just pot luck that I might manage to get them, because a lot of the times it doesn't say. Fuchsia, I love fuchsias. Iris. There's plenty to cut out. definitely be keeping the big pages to make things with, even if I just collage on them, because they're nice paper. So I am filming this in front. I'm about a week and a half in front. So hopefully later today you will see my first project. But I just wanted to come on before I start cutting everything out. And like I say, it's Forest Friends, so it can be, you know, anything. And like I say, you can still do just botanicals, you know, mushrooms. It doesn't have to have people or animals in. I like him. Christmas tree fairy. I have made some things with flower fairies, and in the description I will put the thing. Now it is when I first started my YouTube channel, and I've not watched them since, so I don't know how what it's like, but I will put those in the description. Oh, Violet Fairy. Absolutely loads, isn't there? I didn't think, you know, when I said, oh, I'll do a flip through, I didn't realise there were quite this many. So, but it's lovely for somebody who's not seen it. I don't know how available these are, especially in other countries and things like that. I have got them the link in my Amazon favourites. So that is that, and like I say, this one is exactly the same. So, but yeah, I think probably for ephemera this smaller one's going to be a lot better, and that's what I thought about printing these out, kind of a nice size. So I'm going to leave it at that. Hopefully by the time I film the actual project, my throat won't be as bad. I don't think this dry humidity is helping it. So I'd love it for you to come along to the Facebook group if you've not joined yet, and if you do the challenge, then yeah, feel free to share your photographs and your videos and use the hashtag on Facebook and Instagram, and I will put you on my playlist. And I think that's about it. So thank you for coming and seeing me today, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.